In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embark on an exciting journey of setting up your very own Etsy shop. Whether you're selling handmade items, unique vintage finds, or craft supplies, this guide will help you navigate through the process with ease and confidence. First things first, let's get to the heart of the matter, accessing the right resources. You'll want to start by heading to an Etsy shop setup guide. This is your go-to foundation, where you'll learn the essentials of starting an Etsy shop from scratch. If you're unsure where to find it, a quick search online will lead you to a myriad of resources dedicated to this topic. Now, once you're tuned into the guide, it's time to delve deeper. You'll need to find and click on a comprehensive tutorial titled How to Start an Etsy Shop for Beginners, Etsy Store Setup Tutorial. This tutorial is incredibly helpful as it breaks down the process into manageable steps, ensuring you won't miss any important details. As you progress, you'll come across a segment titled Starting an Etsy Shop Can Be a Great Way to Sell Handmade Items, Vintage Finds, or Craft Supplies. Here, you'll find a step-by-step tutorial specifically designed for beginners. This resource is invaluable, easing any apprehensions about venturing into the Etsy domain by thoroughly explaining the setup process. Next, let's talk about the crucial step of opening your Etsy shop. Look for the section in the guide labeled Step 2, Open Your Etsy Shop. Clicking on this will direct you to essential information about setting the groundwork for your online presence. This section covers the vital initial steps, from creating an account to familiarizing yourself with Etsy's user interface. After you've got the basics down, it's time to focus on some legal and financial foundations by navigating to Step 5, Set up Payment and Billing. Here, you'll ensure that your payment preferences are correctly established, allowing for seamless transactions between you and your customers. This step is particularly crucial for maintaining smooth business operations and avoiding any hiccups in financial dealings. Once your shop's behind-the-scenes setup is complete, it's time to get creative. Go to Step 6, Customize Your Shop. Personalizing your shop is a fun and creative process that lets you bring your brand's unique identity to life. Think about how you want potential customers to perceive your shop and take this opportunity to craft a visually appealing and cohesive storefront. Finally, it's showtime. Head over to Step 7, Launch Your Shop. After ensuring everything is in place, you're prepared to introduce your shop to the world. This is an exhilarating moment. Celebrate your hard work and get ready to welcome your very first customers with open arms. And there you have it. Each step paves the way to a successful start on Etsy. Follow these instructions closely, and you'll be set to begin your entrepreneurial journey with confidence and excitement. Happy selling!